Good morning, preschoolers. So today I was sitting here thinking, I don't know what book I'm gonna read. So I don't know. I really couldn't think. Wait, do you, did you guys see this pop up? Do you guys know what this is? It looks familiar. Huh. On the other side it's green. Do you guys remember this? Hmm. I bet, I bet it goes to one of our books. I bet it goes to Go Away, Big Green Monster. You guys think so? Maybe we should read that book and then we'll know. Let's see if this really is the big green monster. Okay, I've got my book here. Looks like this. Go Away, Big Green Monster by Ed Emberley. Grab your book if you have it. The big green monster has two big yellow eyes, a long bluish greenish nose, a big red mouth with sharp white teeth, two little squiggly ears, scraggly purple hair, and a big, scary green face. But you don't scare me, big green monster. So go away, scraggly purple hair. Go away, two little squiggly ears. Go away, long bluish greenish nose. Go away, big green face. Go away, big red mouth. Go away, sharp white teeth. Go away, two big yellow eyes. Go away, big green monster. And don't come back until I say so. I'll link a video in this post of me actually reading the book so you can see the words and see the pictures in the book if you want to read that instead. But I hope you guys like this little skit thing and have a great day.